Hi everyone. So today we're going to discuss about the function block creation in Schneider PLC using the programming software EcoStructure Machine Expert Basic. So first of all, let us create a new project. So how to create a new project? So you have to go to the new project option. You'll be able to create a new project. And once you set the new project, first of all, you'll be having a property option where you can set the password protection for your application. So currently I'm just giving it as like inactive, so I'm not providing any password at the moment. And as you all know, like you will be having an option for the front page. You'll be having an option for the front page or the company details, project information, then project protection, application protection, all those options you can choose by your own base. So after setting the after choosing the type of application protection, we will be moving to the configuration part where we'll be able to configure the corresponding model of the PLC for your application. So you have like lots of application or lots of model of the PLCs over here. So currently I'm just choosing TM221CE24R with the AC power supply module. Just changing the current model to my desired model. Once you set that, you'll be able to see the device information over here. So after setting the configuration of the corresponding PLC, we'll be moving to the programming section. So you can see initial rung has been here. It's empty. So I'll show you like on the function block option, you'll be able to see the user-defined function block option. But unfortunately, we are not having any block at the moment, so you're not able to choose that. So how to create a new function block? For that, you can see on the task option, you'll be having a user-defined function block actually. Just select that, right click on add user-defined function block. Once you click that, you'll be able to define a new function block here. You'll be having a predefined one with the UDFB1. And this is going to be your function block. So what I'm currently trying to do is like a DL startup program. So you'll be having an inner contact and NC contact with an output, and the output will be latched because it's going to be like a push button concept. So first of all, I'll place those contacts and coils actually to the function block run. Yeah. So I'm providing those things, and for the latching property, I have a contact. I'm connecting them. So inner contact will be like a inner push button. This will be like an NC push button. We'll have an output. Output is latched here. Now what you have to do is like you have to define those inputs and outputs as a boolean input and boolean output to this function block. So just choose. You have an initial input here. You need to add one more input. That is going to be a PB stop or push button stop. You have a output boolean as well. Now this is going to be your address for this particular run. So how to provide the input and output address? Select the address option. Select the address option. Just give the first input. So this is going to be the first input address in your user-defined function block, and this will be your second input address. You have one output as well. Yeah, perfect. And the output will be latched. Nice. Okay, so your user-defined function block is being defined by the user, like by me. Now we have to go back to the main run, the master task, and inside there you have a free run, right, without anything. Over here you have to define this function block. So select the run and then go to the function block and choose the user-defined one. So now you have a defined user block. Choose that, place it over here. Now connect the output, and then you have to connect the inputs as well. Okay. Now the input address that we provide for I0 will be your start input, right? So the first input, and this is going to be your push button out. Push button stop. So for that you have to give the second address, and then this is going to be your output. So this is the addressing. Now we'll try to either if you're connected with your PLC, you can directly connect to the controller. If you're not, you can just see the simulation. So currently we are going to see the simulation, which because I'm not connected to my PLC now. So you can go to the simulation option now and start the controller. Perfect. Now you can see the power and run in the simulation dialog box is being enabled. Turn on the first input. We got the output, and as it is a push button, we have to just turn it off back. So the output is being held. Now using the second input, we will be just triggering the push button so that the output can be unlatched, the output can be turned off. So this is how you will be doing a DOL starter with the help of the function block diagram or user-defined function block inside your ladder diagram of this EcoStruxure Mission Expert Basic, which is the programming software of your Schneider PLC. Thank you.